since you know, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into this video. Today's video is going to be a simple, everyday type of makeup look. This is going to be hard for me because you guys know every time I try to do an everyday look, I go a little over the top, dramatic. So we're going to try to keep this everyday-esque. So I'm going to start out with priming my face. I like to use the Smashbox Photo Finish, and I also like to use the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. I mix the two, and I just feel like I get the perfect texture for my skin. So I like to use the Can't Stop Won't Stop one first, just because it's a little thicker, and like, you see how it looks. So I'm just going to use this first. And right on top, I'm going to use the Smashbox Photo Finish. For foundation today, I'm going to use my NARS All-Day Luminous Weightless Foundation, and this is in the color Macao. And I always apply my foundation with a brush, but you can use what you like to use. I'm just more comfortable with the brush. You always want to blend down your neck as well, just in case if your foundation is a little off, it'll look a little more skin-like and you won't have lines of demarcation. For concealer, I'm going to be using the NYX HD Concealer in the color Nutmeg, and I'm going to use this as my highlight shade. I used to think this color was too red for me to use, but it actually blends in pretty nice. And I also use it to color correct around my mouth. Now I'm just going to blend this out. I'm going to start with my forehead, just because I want the concealer under my eyes just to sit a little longer so that it can have a little more coverage. For contour, I'm going to use my Black Opal True Color Foundation Stick in the color Black Walnut. And I'm just going to hit all of the places that I want, you know, just a little sculpted, some shadow. You want to blend your contour upward so that you won't drag your cheeks down, and it makes you look, you know, sad and stressed out. So you want to blend upward. This is a little trick that I do to kind of make my bottom lip look a little more plump. I just put a little contour under there, and it just adds, you know, a little bit of plumpness to it. For my nose contour, I like to blend my contour into my eyebrow, and it just makes it look like a natural contour to your nose. It makes your nose look super snatched and natural. For setting powder, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me in the number 30 Medium Deep. And I'm going to use this to set all of my highlighted places. But before I set anything, I'm going to make sure that I don't have any creases. That way I won't be setting creases onto. Always bake if that's what you want to do, but I'm not going to bake, so what I'm going to do is take my wet sponge, dip it into my powder. I have some on there, and I'm going to tap it off on the back of my hand, and then I'm going to press it under my eyes. If I need more, I get it off the back of my hand, and apply. So sharpen up my contour, I'm going to kind of do the same thing, but I'm going to go from my ear to the corner of my mouth. So I'm just going to drag and meet the corner of my mouth. I'm going to go back with the bottom of my sponge and work that in and spray my face. That's all I'm gonna. To set my contour, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. what is this, bronzer palette. And I'm going to be using this shade here, these two. I'm going to use these two. So I'm going to use the same brush that I used to blend my contour out, and I'm just going to set it. Right where I put that contour, I'm just going to blend the bronzer. Blush, and for blush I'm going to be using the Blush Neutrals eyeshadow palette from BH Cosmetics, and I just have these blushes here, so I'm just going to mix a couple of them. I like light blush, I don't like my blush to be super heavy, so I just be as light as possible. And for my blush, I would put it right on the apple of my cheeks here when I smile, but instead I'm going to put it more here so that it'll look like a more natural type of blush. And it'll bring more color to my face versus just that one area. Let me see, you can barely see this blush. You can see it, but it's barely there, and that's what I like. I don't like a super dramatic blush. And I also like to take some up here around my forehead, just for color. So next I'm going to do a little something to the eyes. So I'm just going to take whatever leftover concealer I have on the brush that I used to blend out my concealer and just slap that on my lids a little. For eyeshadow, I'm going to go into this little Morphe palette. This is the, what's the name of this one? Jewel Crew. This is only sold at Ulta, but I'm just going to choose, I'm going to use the color Chocolate Diamond right here. And that color is going to go right in my crease, if I can find a clean brush. So I'm just going to take some of that brown and put it just right in my crease, just to kind of deepen my crease and give my eyes a little dimension. Depending on your skin tone, you can also use a nice orange, a peachy tone. It just all depends on your skin tone and what you want to go for. The camera decided to be rude and die, but like I was saying, you can use a brown or an orange or even a peachy color depending on your skin tone and what you want to go for. But I'm just going to use this brown because I feel like it better suits me. And I'm just going to put it right in my crease area. A little above the crease, but you don't want to go too far because it'll kind of make it look like you have a black eye. So next I'm going to set my face, and I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Fix spray. I'm pretty sure there's a better spray out there that you guys can use, but this is just what I have, so this is what I use. Alright. And before my face dries all the way, I like to go in with my highlighter, and this is a Too Faced Prismatic highlighter, and You Light Up My Life. It's just a pretty gold. So I'm going to use this on my brow bone, my cheekbones, my nose, my forehead, just everywhere that I want to highlight. You don't have to highlight for an everyday look, but if I'm wearing makeup, more than likely I'm gonna highlight. But next I'm going to go ahead and use some mascara. This is the Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. I'm going to use this for my top lashes. And my lashes absolutely suck, you guys. So for my bottom lashes, I'm going to be using the Pretty Vulgar, what is this? For Reals mascara. I just like using this on my bottom lashes. I don't know. Maybe I should try it on the top. It might come out cute. So yeah, my bottom lashes are popping. I probably should use this on the top too, but I'm going to wear falsies, which are optional. So if you would like to just keep your eyes like this and that just be it, then cool. But I'm going to go ahead and apply some false lashes off camera. I'm just going to use some lashes that I got from Shop Miss A. If you have not checked out that video, I'm going to leave it linked up here for you guys to check it out. And I'm using the style L. These are pretty cute. So I'm going to go ahead and apply these, and I will be right back with you guys. So I had some technical difficulties getting my lashes on, and I'm still not sure what's going on with her over here. But it's all good. It's all good. So next we're going to move on to lips, which is the last thing. What I like to do is usually wear a gloss, a nice clear gloss or a gloss with some tint. And I think I'm going to go with the tint today. So I'm going to use the NYX Butter Gloss in the color Praline. And I'm just going to put this on my lips. And that is pretty much it, you guys. Like, I feel like this look is perfect for every day. No matter where you're going, you won't look like you're doing the most. You will just look like you're chilling, just chilling, being cute, and minding your business. That's how you live life. Yeah, you guys, that is it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I gave you some nice tips, something that you can learn from. I hope I gave you a nice go-to look. I think this is going to be my go-to look to, like, just go out of the house and do whatever, because I do want to start wearing my makeup outside the house, and I finally have my contacts now so I can see. Like, yes. So you guys, that's it. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed yet. I don't know what you're doing if you are not subscribed, honey, but hit that button and make sure you hit that bell as well, because I would love to see you guys come back, and I would just love to, you know, keep this family growing. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.